Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Princess Annika from Barbie and the Magic of Pegasus and Dress to Impress. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and also this one. And for this one, you can change the toggle to no bangs. And then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, this is for the color code. And then you're going to go to the changing room or the dressing room here. And then we're going to wear this skirt from the wedge set. So make sure you have purchased the wedge set. Okay, this one, this skirt. And then you're going to apply this color and you're going to make it glitter. And for the second selection, you're going to make it this color and you're going to apply glitter as well. And then we're going to wear the corset and again apply the same color for the first selection until the second selection, the third selection. And for the fourth selection, you're going to color it with this light purple. And again, don't forget to change the material to glitter. I'm just going to make them all glitter. And sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working. But if the glitter can work or the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and I'm going to select this mirror heel. And again, I'm going to color it with this purple color. I'm going to go with this one. This light purple color. Oops, sorry guys, I think I'm gonna go with this purple color. You can choose my color code. Okay. I'm just going to replace the pink color with this purple color. Okay, now it's done, and then I'm going to go to the codes item. And this one, select this X, and then I'm going to color it with this pink color for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. And then we're going to remove the X. Okay, it's done. And then I'm going to go to the necklace area, which is right here. And then I'm going to choose this necklace, this one. Okay, and then for the first selection, I'm just going to color it with this purple color. And for the next selection, I'm gonna make it, I'm going to make it this purple. Okay, it's done. And then I'm going to go to the VIP room. And then I'm going to put on this crown. You can replace it with another accessory if you don't have the IP. For the first selection, I'm going to apply this color and the second selection with this color. And I'm going to select this bow. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the bow only. And again, we're going to apply the same purple color. And don't forget to change the material to glitter. Sorry guys, I need one more item from the Valentine update. We can go to this area and open up this box, and we're going to select this skirt, but we just need to choose the ribbon only. Okay, and then I'm going to apply this color, light purple, and then I'm going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Princess Annika from Barbie and the Magic of Pegasus. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!